you just wanna do some quick view analysis. First of all, I'd like to say I'll be including my contact details on the description in case you want to subscribe to one of my packages. So yeah, you can be able to hit me up on WhatsApp. To begin with EURUSD, I assume that EURUSD completed its B wave move at this level. So from there, what we've been observing is a C wave move, where we see wave 1, 2, wave 3, which ended here, and then what we expect to see from here, it's a wave 4 move to complete wave 5 of wave C. So it's pretty simple from here, and what we're trying to do from right now is to capture this move to the 8.2 level. It is significant for me to notice this structure, which looks like the ending diagonal pattern. So when you see this type of structure, you expect price to rally up quite rapidly to significant levels. This is my first target. Again, price can jump to my 50% fib retracement level, as long as price doesn't go beyond the extreme of wave 1, which is against the rules, unless the unfolding movement it's a diagonal pattern. That's only where we can expect wave 1 and wave 4 to overlap. But for now, the plan is to find an entry around this level, which will see price going up to test this potential resistance area, or this potential resistance area. So yeah, guys, be careful with this move. Again, it can happen that we just see price dropping down, which will mean that it is forming a different type of pattern. Sometimes waves do extend. Wave 3 can extend. It just acts abnormally. So it can be acceptable. It might not yet be said that okay, price has indeed found support around this area, and then we might seek for new lows as our new support. So yeah, that's it for EURUSD. Let's move on to gold. On gold, I've been analyzing gold from my past videos. You know that we are expecting a complex correction wave Y to be completed. So now from gold, what we are expecting from gold, we assume that this might be a B, completion of wave C in a 5-wave move, as our wave A, and then A, B, C, assuming it unfolded as a 5-wave move. And then so we assume that okay, the wave B might have found support, rather resistance, at the 50% level. As you see, it hit the 50% level, and then you see a drop, which is assumed to be wave 1, and then wave 2 move, and then again we can see perhaps a wave 1 and then see a drop again, as it was a smaller degree, wave 1, 2, before we see a sharp move, which will mean to us that wave 3 is extending, which is quite normal. It can be expected on this type of scenario. We can expect an extended wave 3, which is the completion of wave C of this complex move. Again, I have mentioned on my previous video that we can alternate this count and say this is wave A in a 3-wave move, and then we are expecting to see wave B in a 3-wave move, and we see wave C before price actually drops down and give us the final leg C. So giving it the benefit of the doubt, we've been short from these areas, and then today we just added more positions on these areas, expecting price to drop down. So we keep our count valid as long as price is trading below this level. So the break of wave 2 will tell us that the impulse move wave C is not yet ready, or rather it might not be a wave C move that might just run up quickly as an impulse move, but we can again see a 3-wave move which will tell us that a complex correction is unfolding for the final wave Y leg. So yeah, I think that's it for gold. That's it for gold. Just to be cautious about. So there's still more opportunities, still more areas to enter. We will be looking for new entry areas at around this level. We want to see price break this level, come and retest, and then again see price pushing low. So yeah, that's it for gold. I think now we can go and check on Nasdaq. Okay, we're here on Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq. Okay, we are here on Nasdaq. I did share my view about Nasdaq on my free Telegram group and on WhatsApp on WhatsApp group, indicating that I do see this push from here, and I was willing to cut my short positions if price retraced to this level, which it did successfully. So as I said, I'm expecting a 3-wave correction, so let me delete this one. It is irrelevant. It is not relevant anymore. So this is my wave A, then wave B, measuring the retracement of wave B might have ended at the 50% level or the 61.8 level. So if so, then we expect price to drop even lower. I expect price to drop even lower. My target is this 61.8 for support to push price back up. For now, we entered again a short entry with my clients around this level, and then keeping our stop loss at minimum, and then this is our target. So it's a small risk entry. So right now we expect price to drop even lower. So yeah, this is our wave A, B, wave C. We can change the degree and then change the color. Let me use black. So this will be our correction for this entire impulse move. As we've said before, that we expect price to correct to a significant Fibonacci level that is assumed to be 61.8 is our first target, and then 78.6 is our second target. We expect price to find support here and then push back up. So yeah, that's it for Nasdaq. I think we can go to Bitcoin. we can go to Bitcoin. Okay. On Bitcoin, I just see this clear structure. I'm just gonna go through the structure basically about Bitcoin and try to explain what I see on Bitcoin. On Bitcoin, I see this price unfolding in the form of a channel, assuming that this is a wave A, B, then we are yet to see a wave C. So there's no need to rush entering Bitcoin as we wait for a correction move and then price to shoot up. So yeah, that's it for Bitcoin, and then I think that's it for me guys for today. Good luck and God bless you. Wish you a happy trading week.